Hi guys, it's Austin from PoguePoolSpa.com. Today we're going to look at Polaris's tune-up kits. This particular one is going to be for the 180 and 280. As you can see, it's going to come in a factory sealed box straight from Polaris. And on the back, it's going to include everything that it's going to come with. It's going to have wheels and tires, bearings and washers, turbine, and a drive shaft assembly. This particular one is going to be part number A49. We have this today at PoguePoolSpa.com. Save yourself time and money with the Polaris tune-up kit.